Well, the defense and prosecution have both rested their cases in the trial of accused murderer Sergio Morgan-Wideman. It will go to the jury first thing in the morning. Today, prosecutors played a tape conversation between the teenager and the other suspect after the store clerk had been robbed, shot, and killed in St. Augustine in May of 2015. Our Alicia Booth has been in the courtroom for day 2 of the trial and joins us live outside of the St. Johns County Courthouse tonight. Alicia.
Lindsay, today's testimony was rather technical, but it did include that taped conversation between the two suspects that police say led them on a high-speed chase. This comes on the heels of yesterday's surveillance video showing that robbery taking place.
Hurry up. Hurry up. Yeah, now, please. Fill it up now.
These are the dramatic moments leading to the death of 29-year-old store clerk Malav Desai, shot in the head after handing money over to the robbers. In court today, prosecutors work to convince the jury that one of those robbers is the defendant, 17-year-old Sergio Morgan-Wideman. Jurors saw the clothes police confiscated from Wideman after a high-speed chase across 3 counties shortly after the robbery at the Tobacco and Beverage Express. A forensic scientist testified gunshot residue was found on Wideman's clothes and handkerchief, clothing which matches what one of the robbers was wearing in the surveillance video. Prosecutors say Wideman's accomplice, 18-year-old Andre Robinson, who is being tried separately, was driving the getaway car. Shortly after the two were arrested, they were left alone in the back of a patrol car, unaware their conversation was being recorded. In the recording, you hear Wideman talking about a gun, gunpowder, and clothing.
They got gunpowder in my hand. I said, how they got the hand. The camera was covered.
As you could tell, that conversation was very hard to understand. The jury was given a copy of the transcripts of that conversation so that they could follow along with it. Obviously, Wideman will not be testifying on his own behalf because the defense has now rested. Tomorrow, the jury will get instructions, we'll hear closing arguments, and then they will deliberate. So we have the possibility of hearing a verdict as early as tomorrow. We're live from the St. Johns County Courthouse. Alicia Booth, Channel 4, the local station.
And Alicia, that video is so hard to watch, watching the victim doing everything that the robber was asking of him, and to know what happened moments later. I just can't imagine being his family or even the family of the suspect there. Were any of them in court today?
Wideman's family was there today, and I asked them if they wanted to say anything, and they declined. We understand from the prosecution that the victim's wife, his widow, who now lives in India, had flown to the United States to see the trial. However, she took ill in New Jersey, so she hasn't been able to make her way here yet.
Just sad all the way around. All right, Alicia Booth reporting for us live from St. Johns County. Thank you.